Two veggies. No chicken there. Non-veg is coming.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Leanne. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I know it has been a long time ever since I have been on YouTube, but that's simply because, you know, it's just out there actually living life, I guess you can say that. But I went to culinary school, became a chef, as most of you might know. And today I will be showing you what goes on in the day of a chef on a normal, this is what actually happens on a normal basis when it's very busy, when we have a lot of people booked. Yes, so here I am at a hotel. This is a one-day function, and just look at the view, guys. It's so beautiful, especially if you work indoors, you're always inside. I just think that this is the best place to be if you just want to unwind, relax, chill, and reboot. So I'm at a hotel in Northcliffe, and I'm just walking around looking at how everything looks like. I like the view, I like the setup, you know, the tables, the everything is just beautiful. Look at the view, guys. Could never, I mean, that's me. But I will see you in the next clip. But let's see, why is this so weird to do? No, actually, let me stay. So yes, I'm getting ready to work now. I'm in the kitchen. The kitchen is quite big, and they do have a separate pastry space and a separate hot kitchen side, right? So that's really nice. It's really good. Like, having all of that separated is really good. But so the first thing that I started with was the dessert. So we had cheesecake for dessert. As you can see here, when I got there, she already had 2 trays. She already had 2 cheesecakes baked in advance. I think she said she baked them the day before, and we needed to bake, I think, 2 or 3 more trays to make it enough, because we had 160 bookings for this day, for this event. This was a conference, like a year-end meeting kind of for a company. Yes, so here I'm trying to demold this, take it out of the baking tray. Normally what you would do here is you would use hot water so that it's easy to take it out, and then it doesn't break. It's not gonna break, it will like flow in. But she brought the water and I managed to demold it. It was a very nice experience. I mean, when was the last time? Like, you don't actually get to make cheesecake every day, you get what I mean? Anyways, let's move on to the next. I'm done taking it out and cutting it into rectangles. Well, no man, triangles. I'm done cutting them into triangles, and then we started making another one. She already had the base. She also has the filling already made beforehand, so she did the mixture already. And this is just me waiting to hear what she wants me to do, because I'm literally just gonna help her with whatever she needs help with. And then the other thing is that I'm not a pastry chef. I do know the basics of baking and things like that in pastry, but I do not specialize in that. So I because I don't like it, I'm more of a hot kitchen chef. I love cooking. I love the fire, the heat, everything, the pressure, the rush, you know. Yes, so here I'm just waiting for her to tell me what she needs help with. She already has the biscuits crushed for the base. I think here she told me she used Biscoff. I'm not sure if Biscoff, you can even use ladyfingers. There's like so many bases you can use. You can use even normal biscuits. You just find a way to make it work. And then the filling, she was already done with it. So here I think she went to go fetch it. Yes, and then we can get right into it. But this is very boring. I do not like baking at all, unless if I have to, that's fine. Anyways, now we move on to the next. Here we were making naan bread. So he was just demonstrating to me how you would roll it into a nice round shape, which I do know how to do. It's just I prefer not to, because I don't like working with flour. It just makes everything dirty so quickly. Like, by the time I was done rolling it was, oh my word, look at that naan bread. Doesn't it look so appetizing? It's so appetizing. Like, I feel like I could eat a lot of these in one night. But this was basically for butter chicken curry. So the butter chicken curry went with naan bread or basmati rice, you know. So that was one of the mains that we had, and then this is our head chef explaining everything to us, like how he wants everything to be done so that we have a smooth workflow. We already had the plates down and laid for the starters. So the starter was a salad, and then the main we had steak or fish with some sides. Oh, I also forgot the butter chicken curry was also the other main, and then for dessert we had cheesecake. Yeah. Okay, he is explaining. You know what? I'll be back. Just listen to the audio. Yeah, I'm tired of talking.
The risotto, again, we find a divider for the risotto, get it warm.
You're not fair, chef. You plating and you didn't call me.
So our sauce looks like this, like it just goes there in the center.
Butter chicken,
Very nice.
No, the components of getting the butter chicken is still okay. Even But
Oh, it's not easy to smile at that. Why? I'm not just I know. Uzongisendela? Uzongisendela na? Into enza njani ke? Content yakho. Ukusha nami mina ngincedisa. Mina yabona into bakumnandi sike maningi. Yabona la ukudla ngokuthi singathikho. So nami nje ukuncedisa ukusha i-content.
magnets, the dockets we don't have. How are we gonna keep the dockets?
that's not what we saw. Come on, Dan. Awubatshele ngicela ukhulume noJabu lapha ebene whiteboard la. Eyifake lapha. Bana amatafula wakhe lapha. Ngicela umbuzo babe nayo ngazi la inayo ebene.
Because ngizwele umama esiwathengile ama magnets.
Sibe sonke amatafula ebewafake la.
Somebody be wiping the plates. Somebody be wiping the plates. Non-bread is coming.
What is disaster? What is disaster now?
Why is this wrong?
Is anybody following with the herbs behind this? Somebody follow with the herbs.
Oh, how was the shift today? How was the shift? How was the shift? Ah, that's all. It's very busy.
I was really leaking, as you can see. For here,
That's all because there's very busy and confused. Waiters are confused by the workers.
That's true. I still
Can we get some herbs in, please?
yeah, sure.
Can you call them?
Yeah, can you go ahead?
I did the right one. Come on. Like, put any space, right?
Yeah, when there's no space, what can you really do?
Now you can put